welcome Multihulls World. So we are on the Aura 51, the new Fountaine Pajot. We just came back from seatrial. We have really good weather because we had 15 knots of wind and we reached a 10 knots speed. So it is a really good performance for the boat. Here we walk a lot on the layout of the galley. Here you can see the galley is central, so you have the island where you can store what you want, and also you can add fridge or freezer as well. And one particularity of that galley will continue in the cockpit. Okay, it is more for us. It is very important. It is more convivial because people who are cooking here can be in contact with all the people in the cockpit, but also the skipper, because here you can see you can have a good view, and it is really convenient. You have everything for cooking with the oven, sink, the space for the microwave, and you can see on the pictures it's very large. So here we are in the saloon, and you know that on the Elba 45 you have a relaxing area, a long chair. So here we take this ID, and here you can control all the boats with a tablet, and you can connect it just there. You have a specific outlet for that. And when you have bad weather, you can stay there. You control the boat, it can be the autopilot, you can control the radar, the sharp plotter, everything, and also the sails, thanks to the skylight windows. We are now on starboard side in the central cabin, and it is really specific on that boat. This cabin is totally independent. I mean, you have of course the cabin, but all the heads is integrated in that cabin. You don't need to cross the passageway to go to the toilet or take a shower.